So today we're going to be checking out a new carbon fiber hood for the C8 Corvette. It's one of the newest ones on the market and I am super excited to share it with you guys. So let's get into this video. So thanks for tuning in, guys. So like I said, we are checking out a carbon fiber hood for the C8 Corvette. If you guys know me well enough, I love carbon fiber, and it's kind of surprising I haven't done this mod yet and until now, but that's because I haven't really liked any of the designs out there until now. And this one comes from Extreme Online Store, or EOS for short. It's their carbon fiber GT3R hood that you can get for the C8 Corvette, and I'm so excited to have one. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually like the attention to detail that they actually created this piece to send to me instead of the usual box. So I can definitely appreciate that extra level of consideration in the packaging to make sure that this is protected as it comes to me. So let's open up this box and see what you get inside. So alrighty guys, so we have the box all ready to go. So without further ado, check this out. Now obviously it doesn't come like this. It actually is fully wrapped when you get it. I just kind of took it out of the box already to begin with, so you don't have to worry that it's not fully protected. It was really well protected, really well covered and stuff, so you don't have to worry about that coming in. But I did take it out of all the coverings and protection just so I could show it to you guys. So this retails for $1,900 from EOS, which is a steal of a deal in regards to a carbon fiber hood. Generally you'll see these sell for around $3,000 or even more after everything's said and done. And with that being said, this is not bad at all. The finish on this is so good, and I'm super excited to have this for my C8. Now the design vents that you see here are exactly that. They are design only. They don't have really any kind of function to them as compared to the race car spec that this is inspired from. But aesthetically wise, it looks really good. It's much better than just having your general regular hood that's in carbon fiber or some of the other hoods that you've seen out there. I think it's very well done and designed, and in general I'm really confident with how this is going to fit. Now I am going to go into my normal spiel about carbon fiber in regards to you're definitely going to want to ceramic coat this piece. It's going to be one of those pieces that's going to be out in the environment. It's going to be sitting in the sun, and it has the potential of starting to yellow prematurely, so you're definitely going to want to ceramic coat that to add that extra layer of protection. If you're wondering what kind of ceramic coat to use, I use Adam's graphene ceramic coating. It works well for me. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's just my go-to ceramic coating system. Now if you're curious, it does come with the backing as you would have it on the OEM front hood. All you have to do with this in theory is basically just take off the old hood, use the same bolts and bolt this one on, as well as the lock latch on the front. If you do that, it's a very simple bolt-on system, and all I would say is you're definitely going to want to have a second set of hands trying to install this, because I mean it is just a giant piece you have to hold in place while you're trying to install this. But I'll go into a little bit more detail after we install this piece on the C8 Corvette. So that being said, I'm really excited to start putting this on. So let's get this on the C8 and really show you what it looks like on the car. So alrighty guys, so we have installed the carbon fiber hood for the C8 Corvette from EOS, and it looks pretty darn good. Now the install was super easy. It took me about 30 minutes to install this. It's a bolt-on system, so there's no drilling or anything that you have to do for this. It's literally take off the old hood, use the same bolts from that hood, put it on here, and then install the latch piece on the hood. and line up and you're good to go. Now, in regards to fitment, I would give this a solid B+. It could use about 1 millimeter or so along all the different edges to get a really perfect fit. So it did make it a little bit of a challenge lining this up, because if you didn't have it just right, you're gonna have a big gap showing up that you're gonna have to, kind of deal with. But a good little trick that I figured out was to have the hood a little bit more forward on the line on the alignment. That way the gap on the front edge as well as the sides was a little bit better, and you're just sacrificing a little bit of edge fitment on the back end, which you're hardly ever gonna really notice. So that was honestly a really good, easy way to get this to line up. And I'll have a full how-to video on how to do this. It's really, really easy. Definitely something that you could do in your garage, but you definitely need an extra set of hands. You can't try to really install this on your own without really risking dropping this thing and your old hood for that matter. So, but overall the fitment, like I said, is really, really good on this. And I actually would say that this hood would fit both the Z06 and E-Ray. They all share, to the best of my knowledge, all share the same hood type between the 3 variants. So if you have a Z06 or E-Ray, you should be able to install this on there just the same way. So that's kind of good that it doesn't just fit the Stingray, it fits all 3 variants as well. So overall, I do recommend this product for your C8 Stingray. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal, and I'm so glad to have it on my C8. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other product review videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.